STABLECU Permanent Magnet Synchronous Variable Speed Motor. Its core strengths lie in its high efficiency, energy-saving capabilities, and precise control to adapt to different installation spaces and transmission requirements. We offer parallel shaft PMSM, L-type PMSM, right-angle hollow shaft PMSM, right-angle solid rotor PMSM in various structural types. STABLECU Electric Permanent Magnet Synchronous Variable Speed Drive Series. The entire series is built on the core FOC vector control technology, bringing you a superior driving experience with low noise, silent operation, and high efficiency. The series products feature sensorless operation, zero-speed full load starting capability, abundant torque at startup with no reverse rotation, ensuring smooth equipment startup, shaft locking function when the motor stops with adjustable locking current, effectively preventing load slippage and ensuring safety. Supports zero acceleration deceleration start and stop. Compatible with various control modes, panel communication, analog I/O, etc. Meeting your diverse control needs from simple to complex. The product supports motor self-learning and is compatible with switch hall sensors, achieving higher starting torque, better low-speed stability, and faster dynamic response. In addition, parameter copying, storage, and batch management can be easily achieved through PC upper computer software, providing great convenience for large-scale application and maintenance of equipment.